why they have the audacity of passing punitive and oppressive bills and policies without caring the status of the economy and the livelihoods of our people. So, recognizing over the insensitive way of enabling them to produce from their farms or from their fields. The president has been very vocal talking about subsidized seeds and subsidized fertilizers. But to our utter shock, the fertilizer that is out there being sold as subsidized fertilizer from outlets from National Cereals and Produce Board. And in this case, I'm talking about the fertilizer that the farmers are receiving messages on their phone that they qualify for subsidy program. It is adulterated fertilizer. The seeds that are available are fake seeds, and we are the farmers' voice, and we must call out the minister in charge of agriculture. The minister has appeared on television and on newspapers denying that there is no fake fertilizer. Yet, we are witnessing this kind of fertilizer every day. Yesterday, I was presented with 5 bags of fertilizer that is purported to be fertilizer, but it is fake stones mixed with Danke's poo. Danke's poo is the waste from the Danke. Danke's poo mixed with stones, and it is being sold as subsidized fertilizer. We must call out this mess. The government has become so insensitive to the extent that now they are calling farmers. This is something that we want to see serious arrests. We want to know who is behind this scam. We want to know where did the fertilizer that was supposed to be real fertilizer go, and who is behind this serious, massive scam of taking advantage of our old and elderly farmers in our villages. This must stop, and every farmer who has been conned must be reimbursed their money. Every farmer who has been sold to fake seeds must be compensated by the government. It is in line with the Kenyan Constitution, the right to protection of property, that we are here speaking, so that we can make sure that the government follows and obeys the rule of law and provide the Kenyan farmers with what they are supposed to be given. So we want to know how much of that fertilizer, in terms of quantity, has been released into our villages. Because we are seeing 5 bags here, 10 bags here, 5 bags there. We want to see data from the Ministry of Agriculture. And the Minister of Agriculture, Bwana Linturi, must come out now and attack this issue, arrest this issue, and we want to see serious arrest being done by the ministry, by the government, and by the Ministry of Interior. This issue of conmanship must stop. Our farmers must be protected. Thank you very much.
Asanteni sana. As Mheshimiwa Wamchomba stated, that this is a team that will be on the ground. This is a team that will voice the that will echo the voice of the